Hello and welcome back for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Vechain chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And you can see that here on the charts, last week we had our massive sell-off on the charts, where you can see that we had this breakdown giving us a new bear market low at around the $0.01314 mark. And that was as a result of the massive sell-off of almost all altcoins. And after seeing that low, we have been seeing a bit of a recovery to the upside here on the Vechain chart, where you can see that we have been able to gear up, having a high yesterday at around the $0.01592 mark, where we had a more than 20.57% gain to the upper side. And Vechain has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures. And before I get to the Elliot wave analysis, I can first give you the news that we have this week that are going to give us a lot of volatility in the market, where you can see that this week I'm expecting the CPI on Tuesday. I'm also expecting this the PPI on Wednesday and the FOMC meeting. And these are news that are going to give these markets a lot of volatility. And if the news is positive to the market, then we can expect massive recoveries on these altcoins, including Vechain. But in case the news are negative to the market, then we can continue expecting further breakdown in the market. And here on the Vechain chart, you can see that after seeing our December lows last year, we had this 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.03251 mark, in what I had been terming as the formation of that first wave to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2 minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78. And since we lost the fib level 0.78, the fib level 0.88, and even saw a 100% retracement here on the charts, that now means that we have now hit invalidation points for our Elliot wave structure that we had here on the charts. And as a result of that, I now have a different view here on the charts, where we could be breaking down to the lower side in a 5-wave move to the lower side, where we can term these as the wave 1, then a wave 2, then this is our massive wave 3, then we can expect a bit of a bounce in what we can term as the wave 4, before Vechain can continue seeing lower prices in the formation of that wave 5 to the lower side. That is the first possible scenario that we can expect over here. And in case we see this bounce in the formation of this wave 4, target areas between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of that wave 2 to the low of the wave 3, and that is between the $0.01996 mark and the $0.01836 mark, then we can expect one more leg down in the formation of that wave 5. And in case that doesn't play out and we continue receiving positive news in the market, then we can expect a recovery here on the Vechain chart, where we can expect a 5-wave move to the upside. And since we have a new bear market low, in case we see a 5-wave move over here, then we can term that as the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we can expect a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 to confirm to us that there is a start of an impulse to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3 after seeing our new bear market lows. So that is what you can expect on the alternative case here on the Vechain chart. So those are the two possible scenarios that we need to keep our eyes on. The first one is that in case further breakdown continues, we can expect one more new low giving us a new bear market low. But in case we continue holding within the prices that we are trading within, have positive news this week as a result of the CPI, PPI and the FOMC meeting, and we continue gearing up, then we can start tracking to see whether Vechain is going to give us a 5-wave move and followed by an ABC corrective structure before we continue gearing up in what will be the start of an impulse to the upper side. So those are the two possible scenarios that I'm watching out here on the Vechain chart. On the indicators, we are on the RSI, we are trading at around the 34 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.